Dari jauh nampak sangat full coverage, like sangat nice. Hey you guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. I have not filming video for so long. So hari ni kita ada a new foundation to review. This Wardah Colorfit Matte Foundation. So I punya shade is 23W Warm Ivory. I belum buka. Bayangkan betapa lamanya I beli ni. I think dah dekat. It's almost 6 months. Oh, it's quite small. How much? Oh, okay. So the standard size of foundation usually is 1 fluid ounce, which equals to 30 ml. But this foundation you only get 25 ml je. So it's fine. The claim is that it is lightweight, cover imperfections, oil control and transfer resistant, which is kind of interesting. So let's do it. Hari ni I tak rasa I nak pakai brush tau. Ooh, shoot, look at that. So I goncang tadi. So I nak guna beauty blender. Okay, so jomlah kita terus letak. It is very liquidy, as you guys can see over here. This is the nude beauty blender. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. And let's blend it out. Why is it so light in color? Oh, I think I put a little bit too much. As usual. Oh, it's super duper matte. Oh, this is so matte. If you have really oily skin, you're gonna love this one. Kalau kulit you ada macam textured kan, I would suggest you to really prep your skin. Some matte dia ada macam soft focus tau. Dia macam matte tapi dia ada effect macam like satin finish. But this one is like, I faham, dia macam matte yang truly a matte foundation. I'm glad I'm using my beauty blender because kalau I pakai I punya brush, I believe it will look quite patchy. It kind of settling into some part of my face though. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you guys can see it. Oops. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit patchy around here. Nampak tak I ada macam dry patches over here, like this side and around my mouth. I dah moisturize my face, okay? And around my nose area over here, dia macam, nampak tak? But the coverage is pretty. I love the coverage. Okay, the claim that it is lightweight is correct. I tak rasa apa-apa pun pakai. Ya, walaupun dia matte and walaupun dia full coverage, I tak rasa macam I pakai makeup pun. And muka I tak ada rasa tight whatsoever, which is cool. Oh, my lips is so dry. I'm gonna wear a lip balm real quick, you guys, because I look so bad. This foundation is quite matte looking, so I'm using this concealer by Tarte. Yang ini Tarte Shape Tape, tapi the new one, which is the Radiant one. Sikit je, because Shape Tape ni dia kan sangat-sangat full coverage kan. Okay, I'm using the same beauty blender. And I'm gonna blend this. Ooh, look at that coverage. Powder favorite eye. Okay, I'm using this palette by Hourglass. This is, I think this one is, I'm so sorry, this is a limited edition one. Lighting Edit Universe. I think like from 2 or 3 years ago. This powder right here, it is called finishing powder, infinity powder. Okay, the reason why I tak guna loose powder sebab I tak nak dia pile up on top of the foundation. So this finishing powder, it is supposedly just to like lightly set the foundation. So I'm going to take it with this brush and then just lalukan je dia dekat foundation tadi. Sebab since dia dah agak settle into my dry patch, so I try to avoid to put more powder yang ada heavy ataupun extra coverage. Dia tak ada nampak heavy ke apa. This is by Rina Beauty, which is kind of sad they are closing down their business. So if you guys want to support Rina Beauty, they have discounted products. So I will link it down below. This is very good. Please grab it before it's gone. So far, so good. Lip liner by Huda Beauty, my favorite. And then kita akan pakai Tarte lip plum ni yang I baru beli from my previous haul. Klik klik. Jangan banyak sangat. Look at my lips, is so gorgeous. I love it. Previously tadi I ada dry patch kat sini kan. And now you guys can barely see it. I also can barely see it. Dari jauh nampak sangat full coverage. Like sangat nice. And truly, it is so lightweight. I tak rasa macam I pakai makeup pun. Ini pukul 2 petang. And I will check in with you maybe later in the evening sebab kita orang ada plan nak pergi keluar. So this is our first check-in. Looking good, looking flawless. Lepas dah macam pecah minyak macam tu. Love. Okay, this is our final check-in. Dah pukul 7.22. Basically, I dah pakai foundation ni dekat 5 jam. Muka I nampak glowy, yang cantik macam tu tau. Dia walaupun dia nampak glowing tapi dia tak greasy. And dry patch yang ada tadi masa awal-awal tak nampak pun. Dia tak nampak obvious. And I punya blusher semua still ada dekat situ, kat muka I, tak ada bercapuk ke apa. And then I try dab-dab, nampak tak? Walaupun dia nampak glowy tapi dia tak berminyak yang greasy macam tu. Nampak tak kat jari I tu? Muka I macam tak percaya langsung. Selalunya kalau berminyak macam ni memang greasy gila. Tapi tak foundation ni tak greasy pun muka I. And then yang ini I dah touch up dengan bedak sikit. And nampak macam I baru pakai makeup. Kecuali bawah mata I tu ada lines kan. So that's it. I hope you guys like this review. Thanks for watching. Jangan lupa subscribe, okay? Bye!